Hey Milkshakers, welcome back to our happy place. For those of you tuning in for the first time, my name is Mili. I'm 11 years old. I'm an actress, dancer, singer, and of course a YouTuber. In today's video, I'm going to give you 5 tips on how to slay your slate at home. What is a slate? A slate is the first thing casting directors will see before your audition. Sometimes casting directors will ask you to say specific things like how tall you are or where you're from. If they don't, a typical slate is your full name and age. So let's get started. Tip number 1, background. You do not want any distractions behind you. Do not stand in front of your vanity, your closet, or in front of the TV. You are the main focus of the audition, so it's very importante that you stand in front of a blank wall. Tip number 2, stand tall and look straight at your eyeline. Besides the fact that standing tall shows confidence, no casting director wants to see anyone slouching. That gives off the impression that you just don't want to be there. Where's your eyeline, you may be asking? The eyeline for slating is always the camera. Tip number 3, speak slowly and clearly. I myself have to consciously remind me to slow down when I speak, because sometimes I get excited and want to rush through it. But it is essential that you slow down and speak clearly, so the casting director can hear you and understand that your name is Sydney, not Cindy. Tip number 4, have energy. Casting directors do not want to see someone who's tired, bored, irritated, or even sleepy. You want to stand out from all the other kids that they've seen already. Even if you don't feel like it, it's only a couple of minutes. So slap on what I like to call YouTube energy and let's go. Tip number 5, get dressed. Just because you're self-taping at home doesn't mean that you can just roll out of bed and turn on the camera. You still have to get dressed as if you're going to an actual audition. So don't forget to wear a solid top that complements your skin. No logos, patterns, and stay away from the color green. So that's a wrap on my 5 tips how to slay your slate at home. Subscribe to join the Milkshake fam. Don't forget to smash that like button for more videos. Please be kind and love yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!